Jay here. I hope you're all having a great day, and I'm here for another day trading recap with you all. So today was unfortunately the biggest red day I think I've ever had. If you guys see, I was down $222 today, and I traded two different stocks today. And I actually didn't even scale this week. I lost a lot of money on it with the regular amount I used, the $2,000, and I'm gonna go through with you guys what happened today and what I could do better. But yeah, so there's a reason I'm down a whole lot of money, but you guys will see right now. So the first stock I traded was ticker symbol SBFM. Now if we pull up the chart for that, as you can see this morning, I decided to get into this stock because of this uptrend pattern it's been having since the pre-market hours. And when the market opened up, it was also a top gapper like I show you guys, and this stock started to go off initially, right? It started going from when the market opened up, it pulled above this EMA line and went for about a 7 to 8% push, and it came back down right around here. And I decided to get filled at the price point 449, right around this area, if you guys can see the prices to the right. And I got in at the price point 449 after I saw the stock push up and come back down and approach the support area. It's a strategy I really like to use. If you guys have been watching the videos, you know that. And I got in at the price point 449, and I never averaged up into my trade because I never felt comfortable that the stock was gonna start pushing up very high, and it unfortunately ended up flushing me out for the 5% I give it, so $25. And this stock just also didn't go. If you look at it big picture, I saw value in it to kind of explode like it has before, but I'm not too surprised it got rejected there because of this resistance right here. It could have got rejected there, and it did, so it just didn't go my way, but I did my part in managing risk. And on to the nice and interesting stock. So ticker symbol ERYP. So this stock ended up losing me a whole bunch of money because, as you can see right here, I took part in all this fun right here, this whole red candle. So I got in at actually a pretty good price point. This stock pushed up a good amount, right? As you can see, when the market opened up, it sold off. I wasn't paying attention to it, and it got my attention once it really started to push up here and approach the top view up. So it approached the overbought level, came back down, and I bought at the dip at a support like I usually like to, and I got at the price point 203, and it's a solid entry in my opinion because I was barely in the red and it did start going, and the stock was struggling around here, which is why it ultimately led to this false breakout right here. The stock pretended like it was going to start uptrending, which is what led me to average up in it. That's why I lost a lot of money on this stock. I was fully averaged up and it really tanked. As you can see, I averaged up right around here, the price point right at the highs when it dropped. And what made me want to average up was I bought at these lows right here, right? And it started kind of bouncing off here, confirming a little support area, but it wasn't going, it wasn't making higher highs. It did fall down, and there wasn't a big buyer that led this stock to just kind of jolt up. And I thought this would be the momentum to kind of drive it up, and unfortunately this was a false breakout. And I took part in all of this drop because it was like a matter of seconds before I could sell, and yeah, I ended up losing 10%. Averaged up to right around $200 on it. And I'm not worried at all because in all my years of trading, this has never happened to me. This is what like you always fear is going to happen if you trade momentum. Right when you buy in with your full position, a big red candle like that, that's like 1 in a million. This never happens, so it just comes with trading. And emotionally, I didn't care at all today. It didn't bother me at all, so I'm very happy about that. I'm not an emotional trader anymore or letting it get to me or anything like that. So yeah, was a big red day, a little tough pill to swallow, but I am excited to bounce back. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you all can like and subscribe if you haven't, and leave any questions you guys have in the comments down below. I'd love to answer them. Thank you guys so much, and have a good